I chose to come to University of Geneva in order to enter the new world of digital technologies. My name is Manos Mionidis. I come from Athens, Greece. That's where I practice. I'm a periodontist. I did my perio training in the States. I realized that as a periodontist, I could continue my career without any interaction with digital technologies, but I felt that this was a new avenue for me, and I had to combine new knowledge and become contemporary in terms of how we practice and how we live our professional life. What is unique about the Mass Digital in the University of Geneva is that I met with people that I always dreamt to be with. It is a university environment, and this is a very important parameter for me. It's not governed by commercial and or companies that would not be objective. So whatever I learn here, I feel that is praised with objectivity and clean thinking. It's based on information, and it's proven by literature. Every time that we come here or we meet during our online lectures, it's a brick that builds a very strong wall in terms of how we change our everyday life. It is a difficult learning curve. I could say also quite expensive, but it's worth it. For me, it's a good beginning, it's family, and it's connection.